How to edit music on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit music on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. Now click on post, and all you need to do is click on, if you want to upload a video, I'm gonna just hold on the button of record and record my own video. So this is it. I'm gonna click on the check icon. Now all I need to do is click on sounds. Okay, got it. And change the music you want. If you don't like any music of those, all you need to do is click on search and choose the music you want, like like this. Now all you need to do is click on trim and choose the part you want, adjust sound, click on next, and just this is it. Click on post and post the video you want. So this is it guys, it's so easy. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.